Ukraine's energy war. A constant battle for heat and light. A race to keep up with Russian attacks. For a week, we follow the teams fighting this war. What the missiles destroy, they rebuild. In places where people are living on the edge. For months, Russian missiles and drones have rained down on Ukraine's civilian infrastructure, causing untold damage all across this vast country. So, what happened here? This power plant in central Ukraine has been hit repeatedly. It's a huge place, but this is what well-aimed Russian missiles have done to its transformers, vital links to the world outside. For security reasons, we've been asked not to identify the plant or its manager.
These.
Everywhere across here.
Every time the equipment is damaged, it gets all of us right here, in our soul. Because it's our life, it's our second family. I've been doing this for more than 30 years. I know how much effort it takes to build this transformer, to install it and to launch it. It's not something you can buy in a store.
Millions of people depend on this coal-fired power station, built in the Soviet era.
Fantastic machine.
Its great turbines churning away at the heart of Ukraine's sprawling power grid. But the staff here know they're in Russia's sights. So there's the siren. We have been expecting it this morning. We have to get out of the turbine hall and head straight for the shelter. On days like these, hours are spent underground. Anxious moments as news comes in of a fresh wave of attacks. Their colleagues at a power station in the west have taken a direct hit. They know this could have been them. And closer to home, word is spreading of something much worse. Across town, a tragedy is unfolding. A missile, almost certainly aimed at the power station, has struck an apartment building instead. The rescue effort is frantic. 46 people have died here. Russia's attacks have brought death and darkness to Ukraine's cities, forcing people to make countless adjustments. It's dinner time. The power is out. Inna and Yevhen take it in their stride, but after months of this, the strain is showing.
Some people are at the end of their tether. You can see it. The other moms that I know, we're always talking about the stuff we can't do when there's no power. It's hard for them.
We travel south towards communities under fire, Ukraine's army of engineers racing from one repair job to the next. This happens all the time, Vladimir tells me. We're on our way to a village shelled just last night. The power lines are down again. The repairs won't take long, but the men know they'll be back.
This is pure terror, terrorizing the population, causing maximum damage to the infrastructure. This is a tactic of the Russians on the other side of the reservoir.
In the village, the sound of artillery has the mayor ducking for cover. How long do you think you can carry on living here in this situation?
Those who wanted to leave left already. Those who can't leave stay. As long as we have even a bit of electricity and water, we'll carry on living.
Russia thought it would break Ukraine, but this energy war isn't working. Half the grid may be in tatters, but in helmets and body armour, these men are keeping it alive. The cost of this war is evident wherever you look. The sacrifices have been immense. But power, the lifeblood of a nation, still reaches across the land. Paul Adams, BBC News, Eastern Ukraine.